Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm going to talk about how you can get the code data from Alice Blue API. Okay, so code data contains LTP, OHLC, so all of the information, especially when we talked about as an initial LTP. Okay, now what exactly some of the information which is not contained by the instrument by symbol. Okay, so as you can see, some of the master contact, if we'll get tick size, quantity, and all of the information, but main the some of the related data as in real time data, okay, which we dependent on to continue further, won't be available. So what we can do for that reason, we can utilize this get script info, okay, with our instrument by symbol. Now for this purpose we need an account, a Blue account, and you should know how to generate the session ID and master contact. So I've been already done a video. Okay, so please go check that video. Okay, it is important one. And all of the previous video which is related to Alice Blue will definitely gonna help in this matter. Okay, so if I must say that you require to import this PyA3, okay, and pandas. Okay, so this two things is required. You can make this get contact as a true, and all of the files which is related to NFO NSC indices will get downloaded. Okay, and if you try to fetch as an HTTP request, you might get lag issues. Okay, so it's better to download as a CSV file, and then if you it will help especially in a sorting method. And I must say that getting subscribing or getting this data, okay, this contact is must. Okay, so whichever folder you are coding, this should be contained over there. Okay, for processing the information. Okay, so just make it true and it will the fetch the required symbols which is there. Okay, so I've been already done. Okay, so it is not required in my category. Okay, so what I can do is if you visit this indices, okay, you will get the format. Okay, I'll show you that format. So what happens is, suppose if I want to fetch the index option data such as indices, if I want to talk about Nifty 50, that should be 26,000. I can fetch as an instrument by symbol, instrument by token. Okay, people won't remember the token but remember instrument by symbol, so we'll go with that. Now what you can do is you can fetch, you can check this whatever symbols you just suggest, it will definitely gonna give you this data. Okay, so Nifty followed by 50 or bank, pharma. Okay, so you can check this out. Nifty bank is also available, so we will go with the Nifty bank. Okay, so the script info will follow this syntax. You should say as a quote alice dot get underscore script underscore info. Okay, and you have to say about this instrument symbol, I mean which instrument symbol you are fetching. So these are the syntax. Okay, so I've been already done video regarding this format, so please check it. And what we are fetching is Nifty bank. Okay, and once everything is accurate, we will get this data in JSON. Okay, so we'll check the JSON data. So we will fetch this data. Now this data mainly say as getting yearly high price, yearly low price, or such as OHSC data, open price, high, low, and LTP, the symbol name information, and even the spot name. Okay, so these are the data it is contained here. So it will mention an average things whichever you are looking for. From this you can get this data, and in your master contact you can go for search operations, sorting operations, all of the things will definitely gonna help. Okay, so this is definitely the required data and initial data to in a crucial information which will open a gate to all of the voluminous data. Okay, so I must say that you should have this format. What are the things are required to fetch is I need to fetch the symbol name. Okay, so these are the syntax which I need to follow. Symbol name, LTP, and then open price, high and low. Okay, so these are the high and low. Okay, and even this previous close price is also available, but I think the value is not there. Okay, but some of symbols, if you try, it will definitely gonna get you the data if it is available. Okay, so you can check this format and it will definitely gonna help you. So as you can say, company name, it is given, the T symbol which is there. Okay, so all of the information which is required, it is there. Okay, which you can go for it. Okay, so try this stuff. So now what are the things are required? I'm definitely gonna go for it. This refers as a buy quantity as well. Okay, and yearly low price. So my information, it is not updated here. Okay, you can get this in WebSocket as well. Okay, so total buy and this percentage change. Okay, some of the information which you can try as an option in future as well. Okay, the data might be available, so you can try this stuff. Okay, now so suppose if I am looking this data, so all of the required information I'm gonna fetch. So first of all, I will say about the symbol name, and the next thing is I required an LTP. And rest of the things is required as of HSC data. So I required this same features. So I must say open, high, low, and close. Okay, so the close data as such not available. Okay, so I can send as an LTP. And at first information, I have to talk about this open price. So this is format you need to follow. So these are the price, and this is the data as a code data. You should not confuse with the candle data. Okay, so whichever things available in the terminal, these are the things you get the info. Okay, so open, high, low, and LTP. So these are the information which we file. So we can name them as well. Okay, so we'll say as a symbol, we say as an LTP. Okay, and next thing which we are talking about as an OHSC. Okay, so these are the things which you can fetch. So let's go for it. So here I think I got a double quote. So the required things which we can fetch and can utilize in our requirement, in our customization tool, and we will do with same with our the NSE such as Nifty 50 or Nifty bank. So whichever symbol you got, you remember, such as Tata Motors, Reliance. Okay, so whichever the symbol you referred, just go for it and it will fetch information according, and then you can go with the contacts such as NFO and go with sorting and selecting and cleaning the data. So that is how you can go. As you can see, we got this bank Nifty index data. Okay, and purely fetched which is required. Okay, so we can check this information. Now what I'm going to do is I'll check with the Tata Motors. Okay, so the spot symbols which I am fetching here, which initially it will help me. So if you remember the name, just go with it. Okay, so if I am fetching here as in Tata Motors, and next thing we will check with the code data as well, because I think in index option chain data, some of we won't get the volume as such thing. Okay, but in Tata Motors and future and options other data, we will get the volume. Okay, so we have to go according to that. Okay, so as of right now I'm going with the indices, and this is initial part of this one. Next, what you can do is you can check with the future and options, which we will do in next video. So this is an important video which you need to follow. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting this data, all of the data, as I must say that it is not available in, as you can see, total by and some of stuff it is available which is not there in the index data. Okay, because that is not trading entity, but this is definitely okay. So you can go with it, okay, and try from your side. As you can see, B quantity and S quantity is also there, so you can check it out and you can help yourself as per your requirement. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thank you.